If you've bought any kind of electronic accessory online over the last 5 years, then chances are you've encountered a brand called UGREEN. So UGREEN is a electronics accessories company that's primarily based in China. However, in the Philippines, they have really strong presence in Lazada and in Shopee. And one of the cool products that they have is the UGREEN Nexode RG. It's the first Robot GaN charger from UGREEN, and there are two variants. What I'm holding with me right now is the 65-watt variant with 3 ports. There's a USB-A port and 2 USB-C ports. And this one right here is the 30-watt variant, and it comes in two colors. This is purple and also a space gray version, which is similar to the 65-watt variant. So let's not keep you waiting. Let's go ahead and open these up. So looking at the packaging, it shows you a preview of what's going to be displayed on the LCD panel. Recharging, recharge complete, and then standby mode is going to look like this. Then obviously you have the specification for the ports right here. Over here, it tells you that it supports 65 watts fast charging, GaN technology, which means it's smaller, more compact, and it dissipates heat a lot faster. Compatibility includes USB PD or USB power delivery standard 3.0, QC 3.0. It also supports smart power distribution, which means that if you have more than one device connected, it's going to do intelligent load balancing in order to distribute the 65-watt full capacity. So for example, if you're using both USB Type-C ports, it's going to load balance between the two. And if you're using all 3 ports simultaneously, it's going to prioritize the first USB Type-C port. Wow, this thing is cute. Oh man, would you look at that, guys? Super cute. And it's a bit heavy. All right, so looking at the top, you can see the 2 USB Type-C ports as well as the USB Type-A port. Now, once again, the primary USB Type-C port will be prioritized in case you have more than one device connected. 65 watts at the back. Okay, let's take off the shoes. So we finished unboxing the Space Gray Nexode RG 65 watts. Let's go ahead and open the 30-watt purple Nexode RG. It's so cute. It even has a nice little bow at the back. Can we remove it? No, it's fixed. So here are the contents of the 30-watt Nexode RG. It's very similar to the 65-watt, except this thing is so much lighter. Now that I've had a chance to explore the UGREEN Nexode RG charger, I must say, this is without a doubt the cutest USB charger in the market right now. I saw the photos before the product arrived, and I must say that they don't do it justice. This is something that you have to see in actual for you to appreciate. First of all, I love the matte finish on the Space Gray variant. However, I'm not sure that I'm liking the glossy bits. Since this is something that you'll be taking with you when you travel, chances are it's gonna rub against other materials. So hopefully this doesn't scratch that easily. Then on the same note, size and weight are very important for portability. And these are among the lightest that I've weighed, at least without the shoes. And that's the thing about the Nexode RG. It feels like you're sacrificing some portability for the sake of looking cute. I mean, the shoes probably weigh only a few grams, but there are chargers out there with retractable plugs. Granted, those things are more prone to mechanical failure. So there are pros and cons between the two. Then speaking of the display, it's nice to be able to see your charging status. There's just so much potential here. And if UGREEN wants to take this to the next level, they can display the current charging power or other information such as the time. It would also be nice to see some kind of animation just to further differentiate the charging status from the non-charging statuses. Now, with that being said, this definitely makes the perfect gift. I mean, guys, come on, just look at it. This is something that you would want to give your friends, your family, your loved ones, and they will surely appreciate it. If all you need is a USB Type-C charger, then the 30-watt variant retails for 999 pesos in the Philippines, while the 65-watt variant with 2 USB Type-C ports and 1 USB Type-A port is available for 1,799 pesos. What do you guys think of that? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Paalam!